Hello, everyone. I am David. Welcome back to Everyday English Studio.
And I am Erica. Hello, friends. Before we start our lesson today, I want you to do one small thing for me. Can you smile?
Yes, perfect. Learning English should always be fun and relaxed.
We are so happy you are here. Whether you are cooking food, driving your car, or just resting at home right now, thank you for inviting us into your day.
In this class, you are not just listening, you are part of the conversation. We will ask you to speak out loud with us so your English gets stronger.
We always speak slowly and we always use clear, simple words. So are you ready to practice with us today? Say, yes, I am ready. Today we have a very useful and fun topic. We are going to talk about transportation. Transportation means how we travel from one place to another place.
That is right. Specifically, we are going to learn how to use the metro station. Taking the train in a new city can be a little scary, but it is very fast and easy when you know the words.
I agree. When I travel, I always take the metro, but sometimes I get lost. So I am very excited to practice today.
Before we begin our journey, please take one quick second to help us.
Yes, please click the like button below this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more slow and clear English videos for you.
Thank you so much. Okay, Erica, let us begin. First, we need to find the train. What is the word for the train that goes under the ground?
Good question. In some countries, it is called the metro. In America, it is often called the subway. And in London, it is called the underground or the tube.
Yes, metro, subway, underground. They all mean the same thing. Today, we will use the word metro.
Okay, let us pretend we are in a new city. We are walking on the street. I want to find the metro. What should I ask a person on the street?
You can use a polite and simple phrase. You say, "Excuse me, where is the nearest metro station?"
Where is the nearest metro station? The word nearest means the closest one to us.
Exactly. Let us ask our listeners to practice this very important question. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, where is the nearest metro station? Excuse me, where is the nearest metro station? Very good. A person might point and say, "It is down the street, on the left." So we walk down the street. "Oh, look, I see the sign for the metro." We walk down the stairs into the station. Now we are inside the metro station. It is very big and busy. People are walking very fast. What is the very first thing we must do? We cannot just walk onto the train, right? No, we cannot. First, we must pay. We need to buy a ticket. Where do I buy a ticket? You have two choices. You can go to the ticket window and talk to a person, or you can use the ticket machine. Let us go to the ticket window first. I want to practice talking to a person. Okay, you walk up to the glass window. The person is the ticket agent. What do you say? "I only want to go one way. I do not need to come back today." Then you need a single ticket. You say, "I would like a single ticket, please." "I would like a single ticket, please." Let us practice this phrase. Listen and repeat. "I would like a single ticket, please." "I would like a single ticket, please." If you want to go there and come back, you ask for a return ticket or a round-trip ticket. But what if I want to ride the metro many times today, like 5 or 6 times? Buying single tickets will take too long.
That is a great question. You can buy a day pass. A day pass lets you ride the metro all day for one price. A day pass! That is very good for tourists. How do I ask for that? You say, "I would like a day pass, please." I would like a day pass, please. Let us have our listeners practice. Listen and repeat. I would like a day pass, please. I would like a day pass, please.
Very good. Today, many cities also use a plastic card. You put money on the card and you keep it in your wallet.
Yes, like a Metro card. I have one of those.
Now we have our ticket. Where do we go next?
We walk to the gates. The gates block the way to the trains. You have to open them.
How do you open the gate, Erica?
You take your ticket or your card and you tap it on the machine. Tap, beep. Then the doors open and you walk through quickly.
Yes, tap your card. That is the phrase we use. Let us practice. Listen and repeat. Tap your card. Tap your card. We are through the gates. Now the station has many trains going to many different places. How do we know which train to take? We must look at the map. There are big maps on the walls. The trains have different colors and numbers. We call them lines. For example, the red line, the blue line, or line 1 and line 2. We want to go to the city center. Let us look at the map. Ah, the city center is on the blue line. Okay, but wait, the blue line goes two ways. It goes north and south. How do we know which way to go? If we do not know, we can ask someone for help.
Yes, we can ask a worker or another person waiting. You can ask, does this train go to the city center?
Does this train go to the city center? This is a perfect magic phrase.
Let us ask our listeners to practice. Listen and repeat. Does this train go to the city center? Does this train go to the city center? Someone will say, yes, it does. Or they might say, no, you need the train on the other side. Okay, we know we need the blue line going south. Now we must walk to the platform. The platform is the flat area where you stand and wait for the train. Sometimes the platform is deep underground. We have to go down. Yes, you can take the stairs, or you can take the moving stairs. Do you remember the word for moving stairs? Moving stairs. Oh, the escalator. Yes, the escalator. You stand on it and it takes you down to the platform. Okay, we are on the platform. There are many people waiting. Where should we stand? You must look down at the floor. Do you see the yellow line? Yes, I see a long yellow line near the edge. You must stand behind the yellow line. It is for your safety. The train comes very fast. So I will stand back. I hear something. Whoosh! The train is arriving. The train stops. The doors open. Should we run inside quickly? No, that is very rude. We must wait. We must let the people inside the train get off first. Exactly. Let people off before you get on. This is a very important rule for the metro in every country. Okay, the people are off the train. Now we step inside. But wait, what does the voice on the speaker say?
The speaker says, please mind the gap.
Mind the gap? What does that mean?
A gap is the small empty space between the train and the platform floor. Mind the gap means be careful, do not put your foot in the hole.
Mind the gap. Let us practice this famous phrase. Listen and repeat. Mind the gap. Mind the gap.
We step over the gap carefully. Now we're inside the train. The doors close. Beep, beep, beep.
It is very full today. There are no seats. We must stand up.
If you stand up, you must hold on. The train moves very fast, and it can stop suddenly. You might fall down.
Yes, I hold the handrail above my head, or the pole next to me. I am holding on tightly.
The train is moving. It is very quiet. Sometimes people read books or look at their phones.
How do we know when it is our stop? It is dark outside the window in the tunnel.
You have to listen carefully to the announcements. The voice will say, the next station is City Center.
The next station is City Center. That is our stop.
Yes, or you can look at the small map inside the train. There are lights that show where you are.
The train stops. The doors open. We step off the train onto the new platform. We did it.
We are halfway there. We are off the train, but we are still underground. We must find the way outside to the street.
We need to look up at the ceiling. We are looking for a sign that says exit.
E-X-I-T. Exit means the way out.
Sometimes a big metro station has many exits. Exit A, exit B, exit C. They go to different streets.
If you do not know which exit to take, you can look at the map on the wall or ask someone.
Excuse me, which exit is for the museum?
Excuse me, which exit is for the museum? That is a great question. Let us practice. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, which exit is for the museum?
Excuse me, which exit is for the museum?
The person says, take exit B. We follow the signs for exit B, we go up the escalator, we tap our card on the gate one more time to leave.
We walk outside and we see the sun. The museum is right in front of us. What a perfect trip. We traveled like real locals.
Using the metro is so easy when you know the words.
Let us do a full role play. Let us put all the phrases together in one big story. This will be a wonderful review for our listeners. I am ready. Let us start on the street. I will ask you for directions. Perfect. I am a person walking my dog.
Excuse me, where is the nearest metro station?
Hello, it is just down the street on the right. Thank you very much. Okay, David, now we are inside the station. You are the ticket agent behind the window. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like a single ticket, please.
That will be $2.
Here is $2. Thank you.
Now I tap my ticket at the gate. Beep! I am standing looking at the map. You can ask me for help, Erica.
Excuse me, does this train go to the city center?
No, this train goes north. You need the blue line going south. It is on platform number 2.
Platform 2, thank you. Okay, I am on the platform. The train stops.
Please let passengers off the train first. Please mind the gap.
I step inside. I hold the pole. The train is stopping.
The next station is City Center.
I get off the train. Now, I see a worker. I will ask about the exit. Excuse me, which exit is for the museum?
You need to take exit B. Go up the escalator and turn right.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Wow, Erica, that was an amazing conversation. You asked all the right questions.
It was fun to practice, and it is very easy because the sentences are very short.
Yes. To our listeners, you can play this role play again, practicing the words with Erica. It will help your speaking get stronger.
Before we finish our lesson today, let us review our magic phrases one more time, just the most important ones.
Okay, let us do it. Phrase number 1, asking to find the station. Where is the nearest metro station?
Where is the nearest metro station?
Phrase number 2, buying a ticket. I would like a single ticket, please.
I would like a single ticket, please.
Phrase number 3, asking if the train is correct. Does this train go to the city center?
Does this train go to the city center?
And phrase number 4, asking how to get outside. Which exit is for the museum?
Which exit is for the museum?
You all did an incredible job today. Learning travel English is so helpful. It makes exploring the world so much fun.
Yes! Now you can ride the metro in London, New York, or anywhere in the world.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you. We love reading your answers in the comments. It is a great way to practice writing.
Tell us in the comments below, do you take the metro in your city, or do you prefer to take the bus or drive a car?
I love taking the metro because it is so fast. I don't like sitting in traffic in a car.
I like the bus because I can look out the window at the city. Write your answer in the comments in English.
Thank you so much for joining our English class today. Keep practicing and you will speak excellent English very soon.
Bye, friends. Have a beautiful and happy day. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.